Hey everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to talk about why working hard doesn't pay off. Working hard won't make you wealthy. Poor individuals work harder than rich people yet make less money and have less financial success. Working harder doesn't guarantee greater money. Living your dream life and spending more time with family is easy if you do the right things. Here are 7 reasons why working hard doesn't usually pay off. Reason number 1. Working hard doesn't leave time to think. Working hard leaves no time to think, which keeps you poor. Hard work causes tension. This hinders creativity. That's why you're miserable after work. Stress indicates mental and emotional exhaustion. Even if you can think when you're stressed, it's hard to apply ideas because your creativity is low. Working hard reduces concentration and focus. Doing hard activities is stressful, and the body and mind can only take so much. When you're overworked, you lose creativity. It's hard to find something when you're stressed. The mind works the same. Working too hard stresses the mind, making it difficult to assimilate thoughts. To enhance productivity and think clearly, work smart, not hard. Productive people seek ways to lessen work. They're working smart. Most modern innovations wouldn't have been achievable by working hard. Relaxing improves your thinking. The best ideas appear to emerge early in the morning. Your mind is at its finest while you're taking a shower because it's calm. If you're too busy to think, lower your workload. Next, search for ways to work smarter by analyzing your job. Think smarter, not harder. Reason number 2. Working hard relates effort, not quality, to financial success. Organizations pay different amounts to their employees because they don't contribute equally. They're paid differently. Hardworking employees often learn the least because their hard work doesn't equal to much value. For example, a dishwasher works hard to keep all the utensils clean, while a manager works on other tasks, such as inventing a new product. If you compare the amount of work these two do, you'd expect the dishwasher to be paid more. The dishwasher links effort to results. The manager knows the importance of quality work. The manager may create a new product that would earn more money than the dishwasher. Going back in time, when humans relied on hunting and gathering for sustenance, the hunters needed to be physically strong because of the dangers they faced hunting animals in the jungle. They could go days without a result. Humans soon learned to farm and nurture animals. Because of this, they started getting more outcomes without working hard. The secret to making more money is to work smarter, not harder. Consider the value of your highest paid employees. Learn how they deliver value and try to match it. You'll soon earn as much as them. Reason number 3. Working hard causes burnout. Working hard causes fatigue and poverty. Most poor people ignore the work restrictions. Their pay depends on how long they work. Rich people don't always work longer hours. They've created techniques to avoid burnout. How can rich people find time for fun? They don't work harder. They construct more effective and efficient methods. Another reason for burnout is that you're not taking care of yourself, which contributes to burnout. Due to employment, many people eat unhealthy meals and neglect workouts. They spend so much energy getting it that they can't perform well. If they're unhealthy, the law of diminishing returns kicks in and their productivity decreases. How can you minimize work to avoid burnout? First, don't overwork. Creating effective processes can help you do this. Technology today can automate much of your work. Creating an automatic email responder is a nice illustration of this. Stopping what you enjoy reduces your brain's productivity. Spend time with your family and friends and take occasional vacations. Reason number 4. Working hard equals low-value tasks. You can be busy and be diligent. Most of the time, working hard means completing low-value things, and low-value tasks are a waste of time. According to Harvard Business Review, some workers spend 41% of their time on useless tasks. In other words, people spend about half their time on low-value tasks that deplete their energy and performance. Low-value activities require a lot of work and resources without a reasonable payoff. Analyzing all your actions and separating the low value from the crucial is one technique to avoid wasting time. Managers shouldn't process invoices, answer minor emails, etc. These are required but low-value tasks. Now, here's low-value activity fixes. First, identify automatable tasks. You can focus on other things. Delegate as many tasks as feasible. Delete useless activities. Reason number 5. Working hard implies selling limited resources. Working hard makes you poor because you sell your time. Everyone has an equal amount of time, but the rich know how to buy more time from the poor. We've all been taught to go to school and obtain a job to make money. This approach of producing money limits how much you can earn. I'll give you an example. The average adult sleeps 8 hours a day out of 24. 2 hours are spent commuting and getting ready for work. 12 hours remain to earn money. You might take an hour break and spend 2 to 3 hours with family. Thus, most jobs are 8 hours a day. Even if you make $50 to $100 per hour, you won't have enough because employment income is taxed the most, and you have bills at home that are waiting to be paid. If you want to be rich, you must work smart, not hard. Change your mentality towards work and improve your competence and authority in your industry. Reason number 6. Working hard makes you risk-averse with money. Working hard makes you risk-averse, which keeps you poor. People who sell their time for money find it hard to make money through easier means. The downside is that they miss opportunities because they are afraid to take risks. Every investment involves risk, but hardworking people may be afraid to invest their money. By being risk-averse, they miss every chance to grow their fortune. They like saving more. They think it's safer than investing. However, money loses value over time due to inflation. Therefore, they're risk-averse. Working hard has its cost. Reason number 7. Since everyone works hard, you won't stand out. Working hard keeps you poor because it doesn't require exceptional abilities. Competition is fierce. Let's return to the dishwasher and manager example I used previously. Dishwashing doesn't require schooling or certification. Managers need qualifications and experience. Clearly, standing out is challenging. Earning enough money is challenging if your job is replaceable. Since these jobs don't require expertise, there are always enough workers. Employers realize they can't quickly replace you if your position needs particular certification and abilities. They'll likely pay you extra and increase your job security. Start learning an easy skill now to avoid remaining poor. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.